about to make a video on how to get just ready for in 5 minutes. I'm sure everybody is very busy and they don't get much time to get ready very quickly. So this is just for the beginner who want to get ready and in just 5 minutes if they get time from their family. So without any further ado, and this is the holidays time, so you have to get ready every day. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel where real life meets real vibes. I'm Charles, bringing you stories from the heart of London, from everyday adventures to epic events, family days out to hidden local gems. If you are living in the UK, or if you're a parent, a traveler, or just curious about life in the UK, you will feel right at home here. And so what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, tap the bell, and come explore life in England. And so here I am with the tutorial how to get ready in just 5 minutes. Don't worry, this bun I'm not going to do like that, so I'm just tying it up. At the end I'm going to do my hair, and that's my thing. I haven't put it yet anything, I've just cleaned it, I've taken a bath, and now I'm going to do first is to put some serum. So I have this CeraVe serum which is really good, and it's retinol encapsulated, so it is really good for your skin and it cleans the pores. So quickly I'm putting this, then that's it, nothing else. Now my SPF, which is CeraVe SPF. I love this SPF. The best thing about it is so soothing. It just goes onto your skin and do not leave any glaziness or extra oil on your face. So it is so good on your skin. Look, it just goes so quick and absorbs so well. Make sure you're putting your sunscreen all over your face before you do any makeup. Now next, yes, my favorite part is my concealer. So here it is. So I spent some money in concealer. This is Bobbi Brown concealer, and this is really good concealer. Just a little bit of concealer, especially near my eye area. So you can put anywhere if you want to conceal something. So there you go. With a sponge, I'm going to take quickly and dab. That will just go. This concealer is so good. With just a little bit of it, it just smudges so well to your skin and just give you a natural feeling. Sometimes I go out like that without putting any foundation, but yeah, if you want to put some foundation, you can take a little bit of it, just tiny bit. And with my brush, I'm gonna dab and spread it out. Dab and spread it out everywhere. This way it is really helpful. It never takes too much of foundation in one area, and it just spread out so well evenly all over the skin, and you can see it is so well spread out and smudged, making my skin look so natural. I'm sorry, this is again Bobbi Brown foundation. So just try. They do not come with lots of shades, so you can just go and match your medium, light, or dark skin, and then you can just find your own shade carefully in the counter, over the counter, so you don't have to get just worried about that how it is going to do. No, sorry. So this is now my MAC favorite, yet another favorite product, MAC. Sometime I just use this with my sunscreen. So this is MAC. Just take some powder and spread it out. That's it. My eye pencil. So this is Kohl. I use the Scandalize from Rimmel. Hope it is clear. And I'm gonna just do some outlining of my eyes to keep it more simple and natural. There you go. That's it. I just do not want dramatic because it's the daily wear. I'm just putting it so quick so that I can get ready quickly. And there you go. My mascara. That's the MAC mascara. 2000 factor, which is really good again. Just give a natural look of my lashes. Gives a nice curl if you see. Just when you're doing your mascara, don't be so quick. So you see the difference. It gives a nice curls to your eye. You all must be thinking she's so crazy because I haven't put my eyeshadow or blush, and I'm just putting my mascara. Yes, so this is the point. So when you have to get ready quickly, just do everything. And now at the end, my favorite blush. So I'm going to just take the brush, take my favorite one, the Peachy Peachy, and yep, that's it. A little bit on my top of the eyes so that I can get a bare peachy look. And there you go. It is so simple and easy. So I'm not just making it dramatic and very intense. So if you have round shape, just try to get it do straight so that your face goes a little bit longer, elongated. And if you want, you can just take some of the bronze and tap it under your chin so that it gives a good shape to your face. There you are. I am ready. Oops, I forgot my eyebrow. So there it is. First I'm going to brush my eyebrow. Then now a little bit, not making it again. So I already have a dark eyebrow. So if you do not have you to have a light eyebrow, you can just get a good shade done. So yeah, I'm almost now ready with my eyebrows. That's it. So See you soon with my attire. I'm not go yes, looking at my hair, I just don't want to leave it open, so I'm gonna tie it up looking at the weather. And the makeup which I did today is very simple and it can go with any attire, so I've just wore normal casual jeans shirt, denim shirt, and I think it will go with your any of the simple attire, any of the summery attire. So it's very peachy, you can see, very natural. I haven't put anything on my lips yet, so first I'll do my hair and at the end I'll do my lip. So for lipstick I have my MAC favorite Velvet Teddy, and sorry, it's not the Velvet Teddy, it's Top. So I've almost finished it. It is so good. It can use in, you see, it is so good on your lips. It just gives moisturizer, hydrates your skin, hydrates your lips, and it keeps it very simple. So here I am with my hair done. I've just did a simple ponytail, did a partition, used a small table and just try to brush it again so that all the extra hair goes in well. And that's it. Comment me in the comment box and let me know how does this look like. So in this video you are going to get the very 5 minutes quick ready makeup tip, and I'm sure you have your own choices of doing your makeup, so let me know if I'm right or not and comment me. And if you're a beginner, I'm sure this video is going to be really helpful if you're a busy mom and you do not have much time to get ready. So it's going to be super quick and very helpful video to get ready, how to get ready in just 5 minutes.